Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can enable screenshots in Hubstaff. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to your web browser and open app.hubstaff.com and log in to your Hubstaff account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're going to set our focus on the left panel and scroll down until we see the settings right here. And then click on it. From the numerous options that you can see on your screen, we're going to click on Activity and Tracking. And then we're going to go to Screenshots. After that, as you can see, you can choose from the settings right here. First would be the screenshot frequency, where you can control the number of screenshots that would be taken by Hubstaff in a 10-minute period. So it can be once, twice, or even 3 times. Or if you don't want it to take automatically, simply click on None. After that, you can check your individual settings and you can search for members and set the option for each and every one of the members right here. Just the same as the option above. And then simply click on Apply to All. After that, when you do your projects or your activities, Hubstaff will automatically enable screenshots. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!